Welcome to Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's e-learning platform, Class 7, Subject English. Today, we are going to learn about a beautiful poem in time of silver rain. Let's learn the poem. In time of silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. Green grasses grow and flowers lift their heads, and over all the plains the wonder spreads of life, of life, of life. The poet Langston Hughes tells us how rain brings joy and rejuvenates all of us. Rain brings new life. It is during the rainy season that green grasses grow and flowers lift their heads. Means everywhere we can see the beautiful flowers in the grass of the plain, and it's a very wonderful thing to see. In time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow cry, and trees put forth new leaves to sing. In this stanza, poet says that the butterflies lift their silken wings to catch a rainbow cry. Means in this time we can see so many butterflies on the plains and also the beautiful rainbow in the sky. Trees put forth to get the new leaves, and the leaves also sing beautiful songs. Enjoy beneath the sky as down the roadway passing boys and girls go singing too. In time of silver rain, when spring and life are new. The poet are happy and says that the people are also happy everywhere, and the boys and girls go singing too. In time of silver rain, when spring and life are new. And lastly, the poet says that because of silver rain, the spring season brings everywhere a new life. So students, we can understand how beautifully poet tells about the silver rain and its wonder. Glossary. Fourth, ahead in time, order or degree. Spreads, disperse widely. Beneath, below, under. Language study, figure of speech. Alliteration. When the same sound occurs at the beginnings of two or more words in the same line, it is called alliteration. For example, Naina needs new notebooks. In this line, N sound is repeated again and again. Second, repetition. When the same word is repeated again and again, it is called repetition. For example, O King, O King, O King. In this poem also there is an example of life, of life, of life.